Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do a review on the TOTO Washlet S350E elongated bidet system. Now despite this unit being pretty expensive, I did find a pretty good deal on it, and I'll put a link in the description below so you can check that out. So the TOTO S350E is pretty much the highest end bidet that TOTO makes, which is one of the best bidet companies in the world, if not the best. The odds are, if you're watching this video, you've owned a bidet before, and you're considering this because you want a seriously good top-of-the-line bidet that will last you a long time and perform exceptionally well. Let me just tell you right off the bat that it absolutely does. If there is a perfect bidet out there, this has to be it. I was introduced to the lovely world of bidets about 5 years ago, and like many, I started out with just a basic cheap $50 one, and it served an okay purpose, although looking back now, I would never use something like that anymore, but I eventually upped my game and moved on to better and better ones. If you've owned a serious bidet before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's one of the best purchases that I've ever made in my entire life. I know that sounds funny, but if you've had one before, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, you need to get in the bandwagon here. There's no reason why every home in the United States, or in the world for that matter, should not have a bidet anymore, and a good one at that. It's that good. Some people ask me, what's the best thing you've ever purchased in your entire life? And I tell them this. As weird as that sounds, it's 100% true. Anyway, the S300E is the ultimate bidet as far as I'm concerned. It's better than anything I've ever used before, not even by a close margin. The big thing with this bidet, other than let me talk first quickly about performance. Let me just put it this way. It performs better than anything I've ever used before, and it works exceptionally well. The thing that sets this apart is just the added features that once you use them, you'll be glad you had them. The E-Water Plus is a huge thing. Basically, it has a system inside of it that ionizes the water. Basically turns it into a sort of bleach, but it's completely safe. It's not dangerous or harmful to your skin or anything like that. That cleans the bowl and the wand after each use. It has a basic cleaning after each use, and then after 8 hours goes by without use, it goes into its deep cleaning mode and completely sanitizes the bowl and the wand and the entire bidet very well. It has a pre-mist feature before each use, which just kind of, I don't know, not to get too graphic or anything, but it kind of wets the entire bowl down, so I don't know, kind of as a lubrication. I don't know if that makes sense. So you don't basically leave any unsightly things on the bowl itself. The wash system on this thing is second to none. Let me just put it this way, it's super comfortable and it washes better than any bidet I've ever used before. It's really nice for cold climates. It has a tankless water heater built into it, which means it'll never run out of warm water, which works really good too. It's obviously remote control operated. It has an auto seat down function too as well, so when you get up and you're done, it will close automatically. It has a built-in air deodorizer too, which works really good, and that works while you're sitting there. And after it completely deodorizes the air, which is very nice. It's very easy to clean. It comes off, although you really don't have to clean, like I said, the inside or the internal mechanisms or the wand, most importantly. It's just the ultimate. If you're looking for the utmost top-of-the-line bidet system, in my opinion, in the world right now, just short of spending upwards of $4,000 or $5,000 on an entire toilet unit, and even those can't really even rival the whole package that this thing has. It's going to be just an all built-in one better maybe looking toilet, but for just a pure bidet, in my opinion, there is not one better on planet Earth than this one. I can't recommend it enough. It's a great unit. And if you have any more questions about it, just leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them best I can. Thanks for watching.